nakilala bilang pinakamatapang na Pilipinas. Ngayon ay naglalaro na sa PBA bilang point guard ng Northport Batang Pier. Mas kilalanin natin siya kasama si teammate Jamaica Bayaka dito lang sa Profiles.
Every jersey has its own story. Kaya naman, are you ready to hear what's the tea? Samahan niyo kong alamin ang storya ng inyong idol outside the game. Ako si Jamaica Bayaka at ito ang Profiles. Ngayon ay makakasama natin ang pinakamatapang na lalaki sa Pilipinas. Walang iba, si Evan Nelly. Hello, Evan. Hello, kamusta ka naman?
Okay naman, pagod sa training.
Pero ito, kailan ka ba nagsimulang maglaro ng basketball?
Nag-start ako grade 3 sa La Salle Zobel before. Tapos tuloy-tuloy lang. I played in high school sa San Beda Rizal. And then I went to college, Beda Menjola, for 2 years. Tapos played my rest of my playing years sa La Salle.
So, you're jersey number 10 in La Salle. Tapos ngayon, number 20. So, what's the reason behind that number?
My dad's birthday, yung 20. Kasi si Arvin na yung 10 eh. And di wala akong makuha ng number. So I just picked my dad's number. Birthday niya.
Pero if ever na lumipat ka ng ibang team, may bala ka bang mag-shift ng number?
10 ulit.
10 ulit.
We'll see. Depende kasi syempre may mga nauna eh.
So, maliban sa sports na basketball, may iba ka pa bang kayang laruin na sports?
I have a lot of volleyball friends, so tinuturuan nila ako. Yun. Maybe volleyball, frisbee.
Wow!
Pero nakita ko sa Instagram mo, you're also playing golf?
Yeah.
Wow, grabe
Hobby
naman.
lang yun, di ako magaling. So, try lang.
Pero yung pinaka-priority mo ngayon is basketball talaga. Pero dito sa Northport, meron ka bang itinuturing na pinaka-best friend? Sino yun?
I'm really close to Kuya Gio, Kuya Pao, and Kuya Sid Onuberry. So, yun, palagi kaming after practice, magkikwentuhan muna kami. Whatever, about life, basketball, whatever. Yun lang, parang that's the things I treasure a lot.
Meron ka bang kinaiinisan na player dito sa Northport? Wala. Mabait
Lahat
silang lahat.
barkada. That's the fun part about this team. Parang after our first conference, we got really close. So naging parang family kami. And kita naman this conference, how the camaraderie changed, how it changed sa game. Kasi mas naging close kami, nakainom kami. We got to know each other more.
Eto, nakita ko kasi sa Instagram mo na you have lots of collection of shoes.
Oh, yeah.
So, pwede mo bang sabihin ilan na yung pair of shoes na meron ka ngayon?
Siguro, a lot eh. I started collecting pandemic, as in yung mga like, collabs and everything. Siguro about 400. Pero kasi same size kami ng dad ko. So we just share. So maybe 300, 400.
Pero lahat yun ginagamit mo?
Di rin may mga nasasayang eh. May parang like, the old shoes that you buy, tapos you just stock them there for like display, and then when you want to wear it, sira na kasi di nagagamit. Pero majority, nagagamit naman.
Nakita ko sa Instagram post mo na you're a fan of Ben and Ben, December Avenue. So, curious lang ako, anong favorite song mo nila?
Mas feels ko talaga, December Ave. Sa Ngalan ng Pag-ibig. I got them for my birthday, my 21st birthday. Tapos wala, when they were playing Ben and December Ave, nakakaiyak eh. Yung feels lang ba?
Pero speaking of pag-ibig, dahil sinabi mo na nga sa Ngalan ng Pag-ibig, kumusta ba yung puso ng isang Evan Nelly? Are you happy now?
Yeah, I'm happy. Really happy.
Pero ano yung hindi alam ng mga fans sa'yo? Meron ka bang hidden talent?
Wala, kupa lang talaga ako. Alam naman nila yan.
Yun. Pero eto, meron akong papakitang picture. Galing lang din naman to sa Instagram mo. So eto, saan to? Ano yung kinakain mo dito?
I think that's like Wagyu. It was like a food market, parang fish market ata siya. And me and my family were just going around, tapos we saw like yan, mga stalls of food. So, mahilig ako kumain talaga, merienda or whatever, pika-pika. So we got like Wagyu cubes, there's ice cream. Di kasi ako pwede ng seafood. So puro ako beef and...
Are you allergic in
Yeah, I'm
seafood?
allergic sa seafood.
So guys, allergic pala siya sa seafood. Pero yun, kung pupunta ako ng Japan, ano yung mai-recommend mo sa aking pagkain?
The Wagyu, ibang klase Wagyu. Yakiniku, I like yung luto-luto eh. So, sarap. Sa kain ka lang doon. Super sarap. Ramen.
Ramen.
Yeah, it's really, whenever I go there, it's always cold. So, me and my friends will just take ramen.
Saan to? Can you share? Saan location to?
I don't remember, but maybe it's either Boracay or Balisin. I was just like, wala eh, kasi
Nag-meditate ka ba?
sanay
Ganyan?
kasi ako sa ingay, like, di ba pag basketball, it's always loud, practice is always loud, you're around a lot of people, pero when I'm at the beach, I'm either alone or with like some close friends, so quiet, peace and quiet lang. Siyempre, pa-cute, di ba?
Eto, meron akong tanong, kung isa kang cartoon character, kung isa kang matapang na cartoon character, kasi marami nagsasabi na isa ka matapang na lalaki. So, kung matapang kang cartoon character, ano ka? Or superhero? Anime, or sige.
Naruto. or
Bakit? Bakit?
Super favorite ko siya. Like, I'm super addicted to Naruto. Pero the one that got me addicted to the series was Rock Lee. Sa super sipag niya. Di ba, he doesn't have any, like, taijutsu. He doesn't have any jutsu or whatever. Just, basta laban-laban, hard work lang siya. So, he got me into it. Tapos, I fell in love with Naruto. Promise, if you could see my house, like, I have my room. It's all Naruto, whatever, the Akatsuki. Super addicted.
First, speaking of mga collections or characters, para sa'yo lang sinong mas maganda? Si Barbie or si Hello Kitty?
Barbie.
Si Barbie. Si Barbie. Si Barbie daw yung mas maganda.
Hindi ako fan ng mga pusa.
Hindi ka pa ng mga pusa. Bakit? Pero meron kang favorite na mga animals.
I like dogs kasi.
Ay.
I'm afraid of cats. I'm a dog lover.
Anong specific na ano?
I have 5 dogs kasi. I have a Samoyed, I have 2 Corgis, a Shih Tzu, and a Yorkshire. So yun, dog lover nga. Hindi ko rin pinapayagan kapatid ko bumili ng pusa eh. Like, I don't know why, I'm just afraid of them.
What's your greatest pet peeve?
When people say mango.
Mango?
Yeah,
What's mango?
mango.
Ah,
when people
okay.
say
Mango.
The way they say mango, it's just weird. That's just the ick for me.
Pero ito kasi syempre katatapos lang din ng training session nyo. Meron ka bang comfort food after your training?
After my workout, I'm gonna go to Uncle Mo's shawarma. So after that, yun lang talaga kinakain ko before workout or after workout.
Is that your favorite food?
It's the nearest one to my workout. That's my favorite. So, pinaka-convenient sa akin.
Meron ba kayong kinatatakutang team dito sa PBA?
I don't think so. Wala naman.
Wala naman.
There's a lot of powerhouse teams. Of course, meron yung mga Meralco just won the championship, Talk and Text, San Miguel, of course, Ginebra. Pero syempre, we as players, we have our pride din kami, mayabang din kami. Of course, when you step in the court, everybody just wants to win, everybody just wants to play hard. And that's the nice part about our team. Parang kahit sino man nasa harap namin, it's just basketball, so give it our all and we'll see what happens.
Saan ka pwedeng ma-follow ng mga fans?
I got Instagram, guys. If you guys can follow me, thanks. That's the only thing I'm on. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Evan Nelly. Kaya teammates, dito na natatapos ang ating sports chikahan for today. Ako ulit si Jamaica Bayaka at magkita-kita tayo sa next episode ng Profile.